today we're gonna freeze dry the little banana marshmallows. So just gonna dump them onto the tray and spread them out. So I have space in my deep freeze, so I'm going to pop this tray into the deep freeze. You don't have to, it's just gonna cut down on the freeze time cycle, so the whole freeze and dry cycle will be a lot shorter in time. So we will pop that into the deep freeze and throw it in the freeze dryer in a little bit. So we're down here at the freeze dryer. I turned it on earlier. It has cooled down to the appropriate temperature and it's prompting us to close the drain valve. It is closed already and we can load the banana marshmallows into the freeze dryer. And press continue and we'll see how they turn out at the end. So we're down at the freeze dryer. The process is all complete. I've already opened up the valve and let all the pressure out. You can see the finished product of the candy banana marshmallows. So they didn't change in size at all. They are they're actually quite tough to break. You can't really hear, but they are like a crunchy texture. Definitely more intense in flavor. They're very, very crunchy. They're really, really good. I'm excited for the kids to try this. It's the first time we've done these marshmallows. Definitely will be doing it again.